Hey guys, welcome back to Tony's How To's. In this video, I'll be showing you how to watch DramaBox Series for free. Before we start, hurry up and check out the offer just under this video. So let's get started. So you might be looking for a way to start watching DramaBox Series here. Well, in this case, there's a few things that you could try. So first things first is when you open up DramaBox here, we all know that there's a limitation on what you can watch or how much you can watch within the platform. But in this case, what we need to do is you need to first search for the series that you may want to watch here. So in this case, just go ahead and search for any of the series that you may want to watch. Go ahead and remember that. And once you've done that, you want to go ahead and exit this one. And you want to go open up your browser. Now, in your browser here, what we need to do is you just need to type in the title of the series that you may want to watch. Let's go ahead and just type it in. So, Long Lost. And from here, go ahead and search for that. And another thing that you may want to do here is you want to go ahead and add this at the very last here. Just type in Daily Motion. And from here, what we need to do is you just need to go to videos and view all the videos that you may want to watch here. But yeah, so you can just press on it and start watching. But in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video, avoid the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.